girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar Alt J. They are back again here on this channel. This time we have the actor. So this is a very instrumental and very experimental song here. I'm gonna give you just the chords and the strumming pattern that goes on through the entire song, and that will be kind of like a backbone for you to play with and to add in some extra cool notes. And yeah, so you're gonna build this on your own a little bit, because it's yeah, like I said, hard to add that much more to this one, more than just the strumming, to learn you or to teach. So it's up to you to get comfortable with the chords, the strumming, and then you can play a little bit with it. So let's start right away. No need for any capo on this one, and we have only 3 different chords to learn. So let's start first with A. So that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Next is G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And the final chord is D. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. Alright, so the chord progression will be A to G and to D 2 times. So A 1 time, G 1 time, and D 2 times. And that goes round and round through an entire song here. And with times, I mean amounts of strumming rounds. So we need to look at the strumming pattern. So grab an A here. I'm gonna show you how it sounds, and then I'm gonna explain how it's played. So let's go 1 round of the strumming for A. All right. So you're gonna start down, down, up, clap. So down, down, up, clap. Down, down, up, clap. All right. And the second part will be down, down, clap. So down, down, clap. And that is how the strumming ends. So if we connect these 2 parts, down, down, up, clap, down, down, clap. Down, down, up, clap, down, down, clap. Down, down, up, clap, down, clap. All right. So like we said, A 1 time of this strumming, G 1 time, and D 2 times. So let's go for a couple rounds. So that was Alt J the actor, and now it's up to you to build this with some extra notes. I'm gonna give you one example of how you can handle and play this one, and you can do it in about 250 million ways. So there's no rules here, just keep the strumming, and the timing is important here to switch chords A, G, and D in right time. So otherwise it's kind of free to just play with this one. So this was Alt J's the actor, and that pretty much covers it. So yeah, see you soon guys, and don't forget, play tuned.